Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Friday to you guys. It's December 1st. Wow, end last month of the year. Time is going by fast. 0.7% on the index level, and anything above 50 is considered expansion. So forecast was supposed to dip a little bit to 58, and it came in at 58.2. So slightly better than expectations, but kind of still in line. Construction spending for the month of October. So September we had a rise of construction spending at 0.3%. Forecast was supposed to be at 0.4% and it rose much higher to 1.4 spending. So let's take a look here at the headline news, and stock market is currently down. We had really kind of a topsy-turvy day so far today. Stock market actually was up. It was slight up earlier in the day, and then the delayed bill came in on the Senate floor because at the 11th hour yesterday, we were supposed to have this vote yesterday at the Senate on the tax bill, and then 11th hour there became concerns of the financing for the deficit we're going to run. So what they're saying is that yes, in revenue will generate $400 billion, but over the next 10 years, but they're saying the cost of that will be $1.4 trillion. So they want to be able to figure out how they're going to finance it. Now they're saying, so that brought way down. The stock was way down as much as 300. And then also on top of on the news of Michael Flynn now saying that he lied to the FBI and that he did contact Russia on the request of Donald Trump. Sounds like it was mostly due to working with, trying to figure out about arrangements working jointly to work against ISIS in Syria. And that seems to be what the counterpart is. So exactly how that translates to the big news that they're making it to be, but it spooked the markets and stocks went, Dow is actually down over 300. It has pulled back a little bit to about, I think just under 100 right now as a result of that. So up and down moment so far today. And then now the Senate also is coming back and saying that they have enough votes to pass the Senate. So more progress is being weighed on that. So again, kind of a seesaw effect today on the market so far. So talk about volatility. Today is the day. Here's the bond market. As you can see here, the volatility of the market. So when the Dow was way down, like 300, the bond market went way up here. We were up like over 27 basis points. And as you see, we even touched the Fibonacci, the floor of support right down here. Currently, we're up about 19 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So yesterday we touched off it. Today we even touched off it. Right now we bounced back. We're up about 19 basis points. And just below the 25-day moving average. Earlier it was looking obviously very positive because we're ahead of this Fibonacci first level resistance and the 200-day moving average, but touch off the 50-day moving average. So again, today we'll have to kind of wait and see how it transpires, but positive for bonds, obviously not so good for stocks, and also for treasuries. So treasuries, as you see, it dropped quite a bit below these two levels here, just off of the 25-day moving average. As you can see, it did touch off the 50-day moving average going below it, but it's pulled back some, and now it's resting right around the 2.37, just under 2.37-ish level here at 25-day moving average. So again, we'll have to kind of wait to see how this out. It might be just a little hysteria about the whole scenario with Flynn, but it spooked the markets, and we got kind of a knee-jerk reaction going on so far this morning. And then, of course, we had concerns about the passage of the Senate 11th hour surprise there. So, of course, markets don't like surprises. But rates are better today compared to what we left off yesterday. So we did have pricing for the worst yesterday as the markets continue to worsen after they open. All right, so I hope you guys have pretty much wraps things up. Better rates today. Hope you guys have a great weekend here. But if you guys want more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me on my handle at Mike Bjork, and I do post throughout the day market updates. You guys have a great weekend, and I look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.